champs! Are you ready to learn your ABCs while playing sports with me? Let's run, jump, swing, and score together. Let the sports adventure begin!
A is for archery, aiming with a whip. B is for baseball, a bat and a grip. C is for cricket with a wicket so neat. D is for diving, splash with your feet. E is for exercise, stretching nice and slow. F is for football, ready, set, go. G is for golf, swing and watch it fly. Para-racer, jump up high. Swing your arms and reach the sky. Sports are fun for you and me. Let's play together, A-Z. H is for hockey, tapping on the ground. I is for ice skating, spinning round and round. J is for jogging, steady as can be. K is for karate, strong and full of glee. L is for long jump, leaping through the air. M is for martial arts, practice with care. N is for netball, pass it to a friend. Run like a racer, jump up high. Swing your arms and reach the sky. Sports are fun for you and me. Let's play together, A-Z. O is for obstacle race, climbing with delight. P is for ping pong, bouncy, fast and light. Q is for quick steps, tapping fast and fun. R is for running, sprinting in the sun. S is for swimming, kicking in the blue. T is for tennis, swinging right on cue. U is for underarm throw, toss it to the sky. V is for volleyball, bump it nice and high. W is for weightlifting, tiny and safe to try. X is for X scrubs, dancing on the spot. Y is for yoga pose, calming heart a lot. Z is for zipline, zoom, flying with glee. Run like a racer, jump up high. Swing your arms and reach the sky. Sports are fun for you and me. Let's play together, A-Z. Run like a racer, jump up high. Swing your arms and reach the sky. Sports are fun for you and me. Let's play together, A-Z.
That's our ABC Sports Adventure! Great job, little athletes! Let's play again soon! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe your channel, Tumble Jumble. Bye-bye!